What's up, you guys? It's your girl Asia Drew, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Today I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day flower arrangement, so stay tuned if you want to see how I did this look. So I'm on the way to Hobby Lobby right now to see what they have. Hopefully they have what I want. I'm gonna do a little flower, what is it? Like a flower arrangement. This is my first time doing a flower arrangement, so I don't know how to do it. And so it's gonna be Valentine's themed. So hopefully, you know, they have what I want and everything turns out great. If not, oh well, you're gonna see this video anyway. Yo! So I'm leaving Hobby Lobby right now. I apologize for the light. Like, why is it terrible like this? Oh well. But anyways, I'm leaving Hobby Lobby. I went to the Dollar Tree too, but I got some cute stuff. I'll show you when I get back home. I take my camera out of my purse, right? And all I see is like scratches, like cracks. And I'm like, oh no, not my camera. Bro, thank God I had the plexiglass. Cause look at this. If I didn't have that plexiglass, this shit would have been done. Fucking done. So I am back home. Let me show you the things I got from Hobby Lobby. Little river stones. I got some glass stones. Just cute stuff to put at the bottom of the vase I got. This is just something extra for myself. I shouldn't have bought. But it was cute. All of my flowers I got from Hobby Lobby. The leaves I got from Dollar Tree. And the vase I got from Dollar Tree as well. Real cute. $1. Now let me show you all of the flowers. well, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave the channel. Alright, until next time. Bye, y'all.